This is one of those products that you don't really need it until you need it, you know, and I think everybody should have one of these in their cars. I was gifted this to show you guys how it works, ins and outs, all about what I think of it. And I will say, I have seen several of these. We have several of these. I think this is the best one that I've received. And I'll tell you why I like it. First off, you hit the power button. It is obviously rechargeable, comes with the cords for that. You can cycle through here and the picture will change. You're going to do a car tire, a motorcycle, that one's a bicycle or a basketball. And then you would just hit power again and it will start airing up to whatever pressure you have it set to. And it's going to auto kick off once it reaches that pressure. It has a light on the top it has a light on the top of it. So if you are in an emergency situation, you have this to use as well in your trunk, which is really, really great. It comes with these jumper cables. So you've got an attachment on the side. You can plug those in. You can jump your car so you're not waiting on somebody else. And it's got, again, the piece to air up tires or basketballs, whatever. It comes with all those attachments that you can put in there as well. But here's why I love this one so much. And this is maybe just me being picky, but I have one that has no carrying case, no bag, no nothing. Everything is just loose. I have another one that has a bag, but not everything fits in it. This one comes with a carrying case. It's a hard, kind of soft case. This fits neatly inside there. It's kind of all torn apart right now because I'm showing you, but these fit neatly back inside this. And then it closes up and it's got a little carrying strap, zips up, it neatly stays in your car and everything is right here. So I love that about it. I was highly impressed with this. We get a lot of use out of these just for even just like airing up kids' basketballs or bicycle tires or things that we don't want to get the big air compressor out for. This has been really good for us. So I hope you love this as much as I've loved it.